Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Bose QuietComfort 45 above 20% and close interfering apps on your phone. Once ready, slide the power switch to the Bluetooth icon and hold until the voice prompt says ready to pair. This puts the headset into discoverable mode. Now, on your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on. Make sure you are viewing available devices. If you see other entries, ignore them and refresh the device list so the QC45 can appear. You now select the Bose QC45 from the available devices list, tap it, and wait as your phone shows connecting. Once the system requests permission for pairing, accept the prompt or enter the PIN 0000 if asked. This confirms trust between devices. After connection, make sure your audio output is set to the headset for media and calls. If you plan to use multiple devices, enable multipoint in the Bose app so the headset maintains two simultaneous links. You finish by verifying audio. Play a track and adjust volume on both headset and source, making sure noise cancellation behaves as expected. Next, open the Bose app to check firmware and toggle features like multipoint and auto-off. Updating firmware often fixes stability issues. If the QC45 fails to connect, power cycle the headset by holding the power switch off for 10 seconds, forget the device on your phone, then repeat pairing. This reset clears stale caches and usually resolves stubborn pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.